Hey, this is about the different sounds of my Volvo. A 1992 245 with an M47. Part of the sound, I guess you could say, comes from the fact that it's a home-built PVC intake, some rubber connectors, stock elbow, holds it in place so don't move too much. Air filter behind the grill. It has an RSI cam in it, an A cam. It also has a little bit of port work done to the intake side of the head. Under the car, I run an IPD cap back from where it meets with the cap pipe up to the elbow back here at the rearmost section. I have 3 different pipe selections to choose from. The farthest in the back is one that kind of rigged together. It uses a Flowmaster for Camaro, a little bit of extra straight pipe over here, and Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8 tips. Then comes the one that comes with the IPD cap back set up, and the one nicknamed the bus pipe. The one I've been using mostly recently has been the piecemeal one with the Flowmaster, just because at an idle, in person at least, it sounds an awful lot like a V8 at idle at least. Don't go like it, don't sound like it too much when you're running, but at least at idle it does. So this is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like when you don't have anything on it at all. And then the one nicknamed the bus pipe. You have to forgive me, I don't have the proper hangers for this set up at the moment because the old one's died. But when in proper location, it sits up about like that. You can see how it gets the nickname the bus pipe. Straight, sticks out, happy, happy. And this is how that one sounds. pitching scale. You can kind of also see not only with sound differencing, but weight. First we'll try the bus pipe. Which weighs in at just over 5.5 pounds. There's the IPD setup. Let's see. Let me just look at it like this. That one's looking at 15.5 pounds. And the piecemeal one just under 20 pounds. And lastly, here's how the IPD one sounds. And those are the sounds of my Volvo. The IPD one has a little bit of an exhaust leak, mostly because the pipe's bent a little bit and I gotta patch it up. And you probably can't completely tell with the video, but the decibel limit between the three is huge. With the IPD one, when you're driving, you can actually have a conversation in the car. With the Camaro Flowmaster setup, you need to speak up a bit, but it's not too bad. And with the bus pipe, well, conversation isn't something you're probably going to have, number one. And number two, it has been clocked at, I think it was almost 116 decibels at over 300 feet away at 70 miles an hour. So, but it sounds good when it's running. Have fun. Talk to you later. Bye.